Christian. Thank you so much for watching our podcast, Real Estate Insider, where America goes for funding. Hope everyone's doing well out there. Every Thursday we do our live show, Talk with Angelo. So appreciate all of you guys tuning in, checking out the show and the channel. So hope everyone's doing good. You know, we've been doing this now for over 20 years as your direct nationwide lender, commercial, residential, private lending. So, you know, I come and talk to you about the different loan programs, the market, kind of what's going on. Hey, Kevin, good evening. Thank you so much for watching the show and the channel. We really appreciate you guys for tuning us in. Oh. Hey, Robert. Thanks for watching, man. So you guys know we're a lender. We've been doing this now for, like I said, 20 years, and we have, you know, all different types of programs, you know, conventional, FHA, jumbo. Hey, Donald, what's up, brother? Thank you, my man. Yeah, this is an interesting cigar. That's a Pappy Van Winkle cigar that's dipped in bourbon. So they're really good. You guys can check that out. So it's been sitting in my humidor for about over a year and a half. So yeah, I love, you know, I'm a big cigar guy and scotch and bourbon and, you know, all the good stuff. So I used to be a chef a long time ago, so still got those type of things inside me. So but anyway, glad you guys are tuning in. I'm just kind of coming to you live, talking about what's going on in the market, different programs, things like that. So, you know, it's kind of crazy this year, 2023. Interest rates have crept up a lot. You know, you're seeing, you know, 30-year fixed now, conventional 7-8%, private lending, you know, 13, 14, 15%. And the hope and the expectation is next year that rates go back down. So that's kind of what, you know, everybody's thinking, but it's really unbelievable. Now you see today, you know, in the news they're talking about raising taxes. So there's just all kinds of things that are going on, and, you know, you're just trying to get, you know, a glimpse of hope that things will kind of turn around. And one thing that we're seeing a lot of is that lenders are coming out with all these different innovative loan products to kind of combat inflation, combat higher rates. You know, one of the things that's come out and it's going into effect in November, you can actually buy a multifamily property, a 4-unit, with only 5% down for the first time ever with conventional financing historically. Yeah, there is opportunity. You're right, Donald. You got to find the opportunity. So it's hard. It ain't easy, but, you know, you have to have that contrarian mindset and take the other side and look for the opportunity. So with that said, I'm talking about some of these programs that are out there. For example, conventional multifamily with 5% down. If you find a multifamily, whether it's a foreclosure or whatever, basically what Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac are saying, look, you know, we'll make the loan to you with only 5% down. And historically you've had to put 25% down. So this is a huge change for people that are trying to buy multifamily properties. Okay, so, and you can go up to a purchase price right now. It's at 1.3 million, and yeah, only 5% down. So it's really a no-brainer if you're trying to buy, you know, 2, 3, 4 unit. I mean, literally, you know, for the last 3 decades, you've had to put 25% down for this same product. So this is a big change that is going to be, you know, going into effect just, you know, by next week. So that's going to be exciting for people out there that are trying to buy a multifamily property. Oh. The other thing that I want to talk about, kind of shifting gears, if you're self-employed and you're watching the video, we specialize in self-employed loans. We do no-doc loans, bank statement loans, 1099 loans. You can buy a house with just a financial statement. We'll go up to a $3 million home. You can buy a house, $3 million or less, starting with only 10% down, and no PMI, and no tax returns, no W-2s, no pay stubs, just using your financial statement or your bank statement or your 1099. So that's a very strong program for people that are self-employed. You have to have been self-employed for at least 2 years, have a 720 or higher credit score. If you do the 10% down option, it does require that you have 12 months of reserves. If you put 20% down, you only need 6 months reserves. But it's still a hell of a deal, the best deal in town. And it's a path forward for people that are self-employed to get their dream home. And that's really what matters. Okay? So we have bank statement loans. Like the financial statement loan, you only need 2 months of bank statements, Robert. You give us your financial statement and then 2 months of bank statements, and that's it. You're in. If you don't want to use the financial statement, then you can use 12 months of bank statements, or you can just use a 1099. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff that we do that's really strong for I mean, there's so many self-employed out there that they got a good business. You know, I mean, you got people that, I mean, whatever. I mean, they have, you know, real estate company, they're a realtor, they own a plumbing company, they're an attorney, they're an entertainer, you know, whatever. I mean, whatever business that you're in, you know, we can definitely help you to get funding, because, you know, you don't want to rent, you want to own your own property. And maybe, you know, obviously with all your deductions, all your write-offs, it's going to be hard to get a conventional loan. So this is a path forward to get the funding for your property. So bank statement, and then the other thing that we have that's really good too, talking about self-employed and bank statement loans, you know, we have a really cool product. You can get, wow, that's awesome, Donald, 347 million. They do, HUD has there's a down payment assistance program in Harris County up to 20 grand. Yeah, and we offer that program too for Harris County and Houston, Texas. So yeah, we offer that product. It's really good. So for Harris County, we actually have down payment assistance up to $25,000. And hey, we lend in Oklahoma. I love Oklahoma. I've done business there in Tulsa, Oklahoma City. You know, I mean, and Oklahoma is just, it's a great state, you know. I mean, I always love going there. I mean, I just saw that movie, that Killers of the Flower Moon. That's crazy about the Osage, you know. And I've gone to the Choctaw Casino before. I love the Choctaw Casino, so I love Oklahoma, man. So anyway, yeah, Harris County, they got great down payment assistance program. We have a nationwide down payment assistance program that's up to $25,000 for down payment and closing costs. So, you know, whether if you're trying to purchase a home, you can do that, and you don't have to be a first-time buyer, and there's no income restrictions, and you can go up to a purchase price of $500,000 or the maximum county loan limit for FHA in your county. So that's a really really good program for down payment assistance. But the Harris County program, we have that too, just to answer your question, Robert. So no, going back to what I was going to say earlier though, talking about self-employed, if you're self-employed and you want to do a second mortgage, maybe you already have a property and you have a low mortgage rate loan on there, and you don't want to do a refinance, you don't want to touch your first mortgage because you have a low rate and you want to pull some equity out of your property. We have bank statement self-employed second mortgages. So for example, let's say you have a property, it's worth $1 million, you owe $200,000 and you got $800,000 of equity, and you're self-employed and you want to do a second mortgage, maybe your first mortgage has a low rate on it, you can do up to 80% on a second lien. Must have you sign on the NHS. Okay. Well, reach out to us. We're happy to work and see what we got to do. We want to become an approved lender and expand, help grow Oklahoma. Let me know. So, but yeah, the bank statement second mortgage, if you guys are out there, the bottom line is, like, if you want to get cash out and you want a second mortgage, you don't want to touch your first mortgage, we offer that with the self-employed, the bank statement loan. Oh, wow. Okay, let's talk, man. Text me tomorrow, and let's talk about it, 832-431-6331. let's talk about it to figure out how we can help one another and benefit to grow. I love networking, expanding. We can help you, you can help us, type of thing. So, yeah. So the other thing that I want to talk about, just real quick, talking about entrepreneurs, business. The other thing that we do, and some of you guys watching may not be doing this, or you may know people that do. We'll go on the down payment assistance. We can go up to, like I said, 500,000, or the county loan limit. The county loan limit right now for Harris County is 472,000. So you got plenty of room to work with. But anyway, if you guys are business owners, entrepreneurs, one of the things that we also do, it's a niche product, and it's a lot in Oklahoma. We do. Okay. Well, hit me up tomorrow, man. Let's talk about it. 832-431-6331. I want to see what I can do to help you out with your clients. So, but shifting gears from residential, just real quick. Some of you guys, talking about cannabis. We do cannabis lending too. So it's a big thing that's come up, the last 5 years or so. Some of you guys that are entrepreneurs, investors, just kind of want to bring that up there in case somebody, they have a cannabis farm, cannabis business, and they need funding. If there's land or real estate included with that business, we can definitely make a loan. We'll do a minimum of a $500,000 loan up to $25 million for the cannabis space. Donald, 832-431-6331. 832-431-6331. Hit me up there. But if any of you guys are, like I said, cannabis, usually it's a no-go with lenders and banks. They don't want to make loans to people in that business. We do it on a private loan. And if you're in the cannabis business, you need money for working capital, expanding your farm, your crops, whatever you're doing, your dispensary. If there's real estate included, then there's an opportunity. We have no doc asset-based loans up to 70% of the value for people that are in the cannabis business. So just want to throw that out there in case anybody's in that space and they need funding. Reach out to us, 832-431-6331. Happy to talk with you about it. So the other thing that I do want to talk about, if you're a realtor, shifting gears now, we have something that's rolling out. Hopefully, 832-431-6331. That's right. So hopefully next week we have a program rolling out called the Realtor Loan Partner Program. We get a lot of realtors that reach out to us because obviously we are a very specialty niche. You like commercial cannabis? Yeah, it's a great business, and we've helped a lot of people in that space, but banks don't want to touch it, and we have no problem to help them out. So yeah, cannabis farms, cannabis dispensary, people, let us know. We want to help you guys out in that space, So anyway, talking about our realtor loan partner, we have a realtor loan partner program that we're rolling out in November. This is a great opportunity if you're a realtor or you're a developer or you got clients like Donald, you're talking about all your clients and everything. You can become a partner with us, and you can share in the profits and the loans, and you can actually legally get paid with our realtor loan partner program. And there's no license that's required. So we'll have a lot more details as this unfolds. And like I said, it should be by next week. But it's a great way to expand and grow your business, and obviously make extra revenue. So, but you become a partner with our company and our team and grow with us. And you don't have to, originate the loans. We'll handle all the origination, the processing, the funding, everything like that. But they're obviously your leads, your customers, and you just send this over. You send your customers over to us, and then we'll take care and get them funded. But that Realtor Loan Partner Program is going to be an awesome opportunity. So we'd love to talk to you about that. We want to see people that are at least can send over 10 customers a month. And if you're somebody that gets at least 10 customers a month or more, then we would like to talk to you about that, business loan partner program. So, and like I said, we lend nationwide, so it doesn't matter what state you're in. We'll do it in all 50, from Hawaii to New York. So the Realtor Loan Partner Program, very exciting, strong product. Definitely want to hear from you guys. If you are someone that, you get a lot of clients and you want to grow your business, grow your revenue, grow your book, reach out to us on the Realtor Loan Partner, Business Loan Partner Program. And we'll have more information, the details, the fine print, how it all works. It'll be coming out. I'm just letting you know, like, preemptive precursor of what's to come in November. So, and the bottom line is that's all about helping to expand and grow, right? You're trying to help people expand, grow their business, take it to the next step, and just add more value, because that's really what it's about. That's why, I believe that we're here to add more value, help people to, enhance their life, make a change, go to the next level, that type of thing. So, lastly, I want to talk about, another strong product that we have is a no income home loan, no income mortgage. We have this product where you don't actually need an income to get a home loan. You don't need an income to get a mortgage. We have no documentation. Yes, Realtor Loan Partner Program or Business Loan Partner. If you're a builder, developer, we have this program that we're going to be rolling out. It's very exciting. We're really happy to talk about it and help you guys out with it. So Business Loan Partner, Realtor Loan Partner. If you can refer, 10 or more customers a month, I want to hear from you. Reach out to us. Yeah, if you got 26 a month, Donna, we'll take them. For sure. And you'll be a partner with our team, so you can get paid on those referrals too. That's the fun side. That's the bright side, right? So, absolutely. But the no income home loan mortgage, really cool program. You can buy a property. You don't need to have a job or an income to get a loan. You can do no documentation. There's asset-based loans. You put enough money down, you have enough assets. You don't need to have employment or income. Or if you do have employment, but it's sketchy, it's side money, it's hustle money, it's Venmo, Cash App money, or whatever. Right. Robert, which loan is 20% down? Which one are you talking about? But yeah, the no income mortgage, yeah, it depends. If you have bank statements or 1099s, it can start with 10% down. If you can't show anything, then yeah, it starts with 20% down. That's right. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. So, yeah, no income mortgage loan. I'm just putting it out there, like, I don't know. There's so many people that are in so many different businesses and spaces. And, a lot of people, they think that, they go to their bank to try to get a loan, and their bank denies them because they don't have 2 years of perfect work history. You don't need it. There are other loan products out there. We offer the regular loans too, the plain Jane vanilla. There's nothing wrong with that. I'm just saying that, there is alternative programs, and that's really, where we shine. We don't. Yes, there's investor. That's an investor cash flow DSCR loan. Investor cash flow DSCR is 20% down, and they underwrite the loan based on the cash flow of the property. There's also no DSCR loans, or if the property's vacant and there is no tenant, there is no lease, you can get a no-doc asset-based loan too. Oh, there's a lot of different loan programs out there. Like if you buy a distressed property that needs rehab, you're not going to be able to put a tenant in there, so you're not going to be able to get a lease. Well, it depends. We have some that are asset-based, they're not based on credit, and some that are based on credit. The other thing that's good about our company, we do a soft pull credit check. We don't do a hard pull. So we don't do a hard check, we do a soft check. Ironically, the soft check scores come back to be the same as the hard ones anyway, but you know, when we first start, I will say this, when we start the loan process, whether you do a soft pull, when you go to underwriting, we have to do a hard pull, it's a requirement. But to get the process going, we do a soft pull. We don't do a hard credit check. But yeah, I mean, it is 20% down on an investor no doc loan. So, but yeah, anyway, to kind of summarize, to kind of wrap it up, we talked about the Realtor Business Loan Partner Program. I want to hear from you if you can send us at least 10 deals a month. Cannabis loans, if you're in the cannabis business, no income mortgages. We talked about our self-employed up to $3 million home loans, bank statement second mortgages. So appreciate all of you guys watching the show and the channel with Angelo Christian. We do this every Thursday. Call or text us 832-431-6331. It's where America goes for funding, guys, for the last 2 decades. You can also check us out on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, obviously. Appreciate all of you guys watching the show and the channel. Please hit me up if you want to do some business. 832-431-6331. We'll see you guys again next week. Take care. Peace out. Stay strong. Happy Halloween, everybody. All right.